Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 911 at Singapore Marriott Tang Plaza Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the entrance to the bathroom with a sliding door. And on the sliding door itself is a mirror. Here we have light switches for the bathroom and the foyer. And inside the bathroom, we have the toilet right there. Toilet tissues. Bathroom right there. And here we have a mirror. And the vanity table below with a tissue box, storage, and a chair together with the bin. And as it says there, we have a power outlet. Okay, to the left of the toilet, we have towels down below, the sink in the middle. To the left of the sink is bottles of water with a couple of glasses. And to the right of the sink, we have another towel and all the bathroom amenities. We have a mirror right there and another mirror just above the sink, low with a ring of light around it. Here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. And we have the laundry line right there with a hook. And here we have the towel and bath mat. And obviously, next to the shower, we have shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. Okay, so opposite the bathroom, we have the wardrobe. Here, we have drawers right there, in-room safe, iron, I believe that's the hairdryer, storage above. And here we have another bathrobe with the ironing board. Here, below, we have the laundry stuff, couple of in-room slippers, and I believe that is the shoe shine thing with a place to put luggage. And right above, we have hangers and more storage. Okay, there's a power outlet down there. Here we have storage with a couple of bottles of wine that is chargeable. And we have the minibar menu right here. There we have glasses and the kettle. In the middle, we have the fridge. It is not empty, but there's still space to put your own items in there. And to the left, we have mugs, all the tea and coffee making stuff, and snacks right at the bottom. Above the pantry area, we have a flat screen Samsung TV. Here we have the desk area with a couple of chairs, the in-room telephone, welcome message from the hotel. Here we have a drawer with the Qiblat direction. Bottles of water, a desk light, a Tang's like information card right there. Here we have a table with a sofa-like thing, and there we have the bed. It does look quite comfortable. On the left bedside table, we have a light together with the clock. All the various side switches and a power outlet are located behind the light. Storage down there, and a drawer right here with the Bible. Artwork, and I forgot to mention, but there is a mirror behind the light. Here we have the climate control panel, and on the right bedside table we have the in-room dining menu right there with guest services directory and the breakfast selection. Another drawer right here with a magazine. You can also scan the QR code to order room service, and right here we have the in-room telephone, the TV remote, the TV guide below the remote, another light, another mirror, and again more light switches with another power outlet. Okay, as for the view, I get the building that's next to the hotel right there, but we can see a partial Orchard Road view right there with the hotel swimming pool right there, and we can see, I believe that's called Ion Orchard, Isetan right there, and obviously the buildings around the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 911 at Singapore Marriott Tang Plaza Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Okay, so I forgot to mention this earlier on, but to the left of the desk area we have 3 power outlets, and there is also another power outlet to the left of the pantry area.